has couple series for smartphone users like Realme GT series, Realme Narzo series or its number series, out of which Realme 9 series is the latest. Realme 9 series में कुल शामिल है 5 स्मार्टफोन्स, जिसमें से Realme 9 5G और Realme 9 5G Speed Edition है इसके सबसे लेटेस्ट और न्यूएस्ट एडिशंस। आज के इस वीडियो में we are going to test drive the speed of the Speed Edition, quite literally, because that is going to be the performance segment of this video, where I'm going to talk about my gaming experience on the device. And other than that, I will also tell you if I did like this smartphone or not. Hello, नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं Gadget Times. मेरा नाम है पावनी जैन. And before I start talking about the smartphone, आप इसी वीडियो को यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी देर के लिए पॉज करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए Gadget Times को, so that you know whenever we come up with new videos. So the Realme 9 5G SE edition comes in two color options. One is Azure Glow and the other one is Starry Glow. This is not a single color option like black, blue, red or purple. It's more like a pastel rainbow palette. When you tilt the smartphone at different angles, you will see more colors peeping through the rear panel. Coming to the style and layout of the smartphone, it is designed with curved edges to secure the grip. But at the same time, the matte finish on the rear panel makes the phone super slippery. So in that case, users को हमेशा ध्यान रखना होगा कि वो जब भी अपने स्मार्टफोन का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने एक प्लास्टिक कवर या अपनी चॉइस का कोई भी कवर इस पर लगाया हुआ है. Well, the matte finish does one good thing, and that is it resists fingerprints as well as scratches. The power button, which is also a fingerprint scanner, is recessed on the right. The volume buttons and SIM tray are resting on the left. SIM tray में आपको 3 slots मिलेंगे, 2 for micro SIM cards and 1 for micro SD card. On the bottom, there is a 3.5mm audio jack, a USB Type-C port and a speaker grill. This smartphone feels little heavy in hand. Despite using a plastic back, the phone weighs around 199 grams. अब चलते हैं फ़ोन के डिस्प्ले की ओर. The Realme 9 5G Speed Edition is equipped with a 6.6-inch IPS LCD screen. Now you need not be disappointed when I say LCD because it is of a good quality. When you are watching content, the colors look pretty decent even from different angles as well. The screen is protected with Panda glass, which claims to be resilient against all the fingerprints and scratches. The bezels on the sides and top are thin, although there is a noticeable one at the bottom. Now coming to the noteworthy feature of this smartphone is a 144Hz refresh rate, which produces a smoother picture. अगर higher refresh rate की बात की जाए तो users choose कर सकते हैं कि उनको 144Hz का refresh rate चाहिए, standard 60Hz का refresh rate चाहिए या फिर auto select करना चाहते हैं. Let's get into the technical specifications of the cameras on this smartphone. This phone boasts a rectangular camera module which houses 3 cameras in total. The primary camera is a 48 megapixel accompanied by a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. On the front is a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. The photos that I clicked using the 48mm mode showed details in it. The photos were pretty decent with good details, especially in daylight. I find the macro shots to be okay. और जो मुझे पसंद नहीं आया वो है portrait shots. Considering the price of the phone, which is almost 20,000 rupees, I expected a clear differentiation between the subject in focus and the blurred background to be good. This phone uses a Qualcomm SoC. It is a Snapdragon 778g system on chip. I did play games like BGMI and Asphalt 9 on the smartphone in high graphics settings, and it performed without any hiccups. जो storage combination इस phone पर मैं इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ वो है 8GB of RAM paired with 128GB of internal storage. When there is enough storage available on the smartphone, users also get an option to expand the RAM starting from 2GB to 3GB to 5GB. एक अच्छे हार्डवेयर के साथ यूजर को चाहिए होता है अच्छा सॉफ्टवेयर. This phone runs on Realme UI 2 based on Android 11, which is pretty outdated. So overall, the performance on this smartphone is good. The Realme 9 5G SE packs a 5000 mAh battery. It is supported by a 30-watt dart charge technology. The company claims that the charger is capable of juicing up to 50% of the phone's battery in just 25 minutes. You can actually fill 0 to 100% of the battery pocket in about 1 hour and 15 minutes. So, the battery compartment is pretty sorted with Realme 9 5G SE smartphone. बिल्कुल, अब आपको जानना होगा कि क्या यूजर्स को ये स्मार्टफोन खरीदना चाहिए या नहीं खरीदना चाहिए. We will count on the good things first. Looks and design of this smartphone are likable. There is a wideband L1 support available. There is 144Hz refresh rate panel included on the smartphone and also the battery is pretty solid. अब हम बात करेंगे उन सारी चीज़ों की जो इस स्मार्टफोन पर हमें नहीं पसंद आई. IPS LCD panel, ton of bloatware and also the camera performance. So buy this smartphone for every reason other than cameras. If you are a photographer, you will be a little disappointed. Other than that, it's a really good option to buy a Realme 9 5G SE smartphone if you are looking for a new phone under Rs 20,000.